Sverige, hej Norge, varför inte hej världen? Today it's moving house day and we are leaving our Saudi Orange hotel that we've been staying in for 2 months more or less, and I'm looking forward to our new place that's called the Title. Hopefully it's as good as it looks from the outside. It's just by car like 2 minutes away, but it's on the beachfront more or less, and we're looking forward to live there for 1 month while we are looking for a house to live more permanent and then longer. So that's it. This day is going to be a moving house day, and if you can see that, it's actually not that far to the beach here either. So, but it's a bit, you know, you live on the 3rd floor. You have a balcony, of course, but it's time to move. You will get the full review of Saudi Orange too in a video coming up very soon. See you guys. New place, new month, 1st of March, and we are staying at something called the Title. You know, long stay, condominium type of place, and we got a pool right outside, and we're going to stay here for a month, just until we find a real house. So I'm going to give you a full review of this place very soon. I think I said I was back from the dead before. Got fever a couple of weeks actually, and you know, recovering pretty well, and antibiotics, and I got food poisoning. Why not? You know, you got one thing, why don't you take on 2 things at the same time? So, and the food poisoning here is you get sick. It's toilet all the time, of course. It's fever. You're cold, you're hot, you're in bad shape. Period. It's not fun. So I have so many things I want to film and do, and hopefully I can actually start doing it now, because it's about damn time. Also, we have better internet here. We had, let's not call it internet, let's call it something that was, you know, poured down the straw. That's something that was poured down the straw. You know, with 1s and 0s, and it was slow as I have never experienced before. So hopefully this is better. It looks better, it feels better, and that I can start vlogging again, because that's what I want to do. Blogging is fine, vlogging is fine, Instagram is fine, Facebook is fine, but the fun thing is this. Good night. Good morning. Woke up this morning, slept like a baby. Woke up to this. We want to go to the pool. It's not that far, and apparently Annika wants us to do some exercises. So it seems like I need to go to the gym today. Talk soon. As you can see, she's really wanting me to go to the gym, so I think I need to actually comply.
Yes, they do it.
See you soon. Short little walk down to the reception to get the fitness card, so I will get some cardiovascular workout too. This is turning out to be a really bad day. I hope I see you soon. Maybe tomorrow, because I'm gonna be in pain tomorrow. And just to show you, I'm not kidding. This is actually a gym. It's not the biggest I've seen, but it has the necessary stuff to get pumped up. This was really nice. Excellent. idea, Annika.
Oh. Oh man. Yes.
It's pain now and it's pain tomorrow. Finally, is that horrible experience over? But I have to admit, it's quite nice, but it's... this is gonna hurt tomorrow. More coming soon. So now when that is done, it's gonna be a jump in the pool. And I think we deserve it actually. Annika and I goes to the pool. And to be honest, it's not that miserable at all actually. It's kind of not seen. It's not complicated at all. Vad säger du Annika? Är du nöjd med livet?
Ja, här är det.
Ja.
Jättebra.
My bunny lies over the ocean. My bunny lies over the sea. My bunny lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my bunny to me.
So if you want to build, I use two different phrases. One of them is easy, it's check pin, to get a check. Sounds like English, pronounced like English, and it usually works anywhere. The other one is a bit more, not used that much, but by Farangs at least, and it's Keptang. And it's the same result, it's just check pin or Keptang. If they look like this in a ghost when you ask for check pin, then you can use Keptang or the other way around. So much better.
Bye bye.